Another day, another error identification. He has forgotten to lock the front gate again yesterday, so the dog ran out into the street. 5 seconds. Tamang sagot, letter A. Kasi walang reason bakit ka magpa-present perfect dito. Dahil meron kang past time indicator dito. Again, lagi kong sinasabi, ang mga past time indicator, sila yung mga words or phrases na magsasabi sa iyo kung kailan eksaktong naganap, nangyari yung isang bagay in the past. In this case, very obvious, yesterday. Kaya dapat to hindi present perfect kasi ang present perfect, pwede niyang gamitin yan kapag walang specific past time indicator. Eh dito meron. So, hindi pwede siya. Dapat simple past lang. So, he forgot to lock the front gate again yesterday. So, the dog ran out into the street. So, nag-align na rin siya dito sa ran out. Simple past.